Hi friends, very good morning. This is Suraj Performer or Aj, and today we will discuss about Happy Health India. How we can earn in a part time and full time with Happy Health India. So let's start the marketing plan and the profile. Friends, when we will start any company, then we have seen five things in the company. First is profile, second is product, third is price, fourth is marketing plan, and fifth is management process. If these five things are good, then we can start as a career the company. So we will start about profile. Happy Health India HHI has started from August 2015, Ludhiana, Punjab. Ludhiana, Punjab. It have three factories, and these are provided Ayurvedic products and garments since 35 years, which different companies, so many products. Now it have 550 plus product, and which will be expand in 3 months about 1000 plus product. And product range is wellness. Product category is wellness, FMCG, grocery, agriculture, veterinary, garments, and footwear, and so many products in a pipeline. And it is registered from MCA in 92 number listed, and also it have member of FDSA, Federation of Direct Selling Association. So profile is very good, strong, and three directors of the company. The CEO of company, Mr. Santokh Singh, Sardar Santokh Singh, and he have lot of experience of direct selling and also traditional market. Now we will discuss about product, and product range is wellness, FMCG, grocery, agriculture, veterinary, garments, and footwear. And these all are product is self R&D product and lab tested product. And the product range is, and C product price will start from 10 rupee to 1500 rupees. Now we will start the marketing plan. So we will discuss about price and marketing plan both. Marketing plan is according to government norms. Registration is free. When you activate your ID, then you have to purchase 800 PB product. So now you have two way to active your ID. One is the package and second is open choice. Package is 150 rupees, in which you will get 14 product of daily needs. 14 products of daily needs. And second is 3000, in which you will get 17 products of daily needs. And third is 5500, in which you will get 19 products of daily needs and also wellness product. And in an open choice, you will get your choices product. Here you have to pay some more amount because every product have PV and BV. So you have to activate your ID minimum 800 PV, and second is 1500 PV, and third is 3000 PV. 800 PV is capping 1 lakh per week, and 1500 PV 2 lakh per week capping, and 3000 PV 5 lakh per week capping. So you have a three way to start your ID. First is 800 PV, second is 1500 PV, and third is 3000 PV. Only capping is differences. This is our starter package and also open choices. And now company marketing plan is both the combination of binary and generation. In an Indian market, 50% people like binary plan and 50% people like generation plan. So company have choose both. This is called hybrid plan. In a binary, 4 types of income, and generation in a 16 types of income available. So total 20 types of income we will get by the HHI, Happy Health India. So friends, let's start the first of all a binary plan. The first billing is going in a binary. This is you, and when you spill left and right 3000 PV and right also 3000 PV, then you will get 16% of matching. This is your check will be 480 rupee. Every Monday is closing, and Thursday you will get payment. After deduction of 3.75% TDS and 5% of admin. Like you will get 16% of the matching. When you will get in a left 1 lakh PV and in a right also 1 lakh PV, then you will get 16%. Your check will be 16,000. And your business is 10 lakh PV in a left and 10 lakh PV in a right, you will get 16%. Your check will 1,60,000. Carry forward is available. So highest capping is 5 lakh per week available. And second income is CP bonus. Company get 8% amount from the company turnover, and it is fixed in a 4,000 a week. For getting this amount, you have to complete some conditions. This is you. If you will give in a left and right 20,000 PB in a left and 20,000 PB in a right in a week, with the help of all team, then you will get 16% also. 16% your check is 3200, and also you will get 4000, then your check is 7200. If you will done this every week, then you will get every month 28,800 rupees. This is very beautiful income, because this income every person easily survive in this business, because next income is your direct sponsor income. Your all direct income 10%, you will get 10% of income from the all of your direct members. Fourth income is, friends, reward. Company is provided 1 crore 47 lakh rewards. How we will can achieve these rewards? Left and right. In a left 10,000 PB and right 15,000 PB, you will get 1,000 reward. And next 20,000 PB in a left and 30,000 PB in a right, you will get 2,500. And next 40,000 PB in a left and 60,000 PB in a right, you will get 5,000 rupees. According this business, you will get next 10,000 and 15,000 and 30,000 and 60,000 and 1,25,000 and 2,25,000 and 5 lakh and 11 lakh and 25 lakh, and last is 1 crore. Total 13 levels are available. So this is our binary income, friends. This is very beautiful and awesome income, in which you will earn in a year approx 4 crore rupees. Highest, by the help of binary plan. And second is our generation plan. In which have 16 types of income. First is performance bonus, in which you will get 10 to 25%. You done 1000 BV, then your ID will be 10%. And next accumulative business is here, 7,500 VV, you will reach 15%, and 25,000 VV you will reach 20%, and 75,000 BB you will reach 25%. If in a month 1 to 31st that you will done 40,000 VV, you will also reach 25%. Friends, when you purchase 2,500 amount DP red product by the HHI Shopee, then you will get 400 DP product free, and also you will get your cashback 100 to 300 cashback. As a user you will purchase. And also if you will done your billing 1 to 13 date of the calendar month, then you will also get lucky draw. Company have provided every month 200 to 500 lucky draw. For example, like 42-inch LED and 32-inch LED and Android phone, Milton jug, water set, ceiling fan, etc. So many coupons are available here. Every month purchasing you will get. So lucky draw is by the depend on luck, but 400 product DP and 100 rupee cashback is fixed. So friends, 25 200 500 to 2500 rupees you will get 500 product is almost free. Then DP rate according 500 product you will get 20% discount at the DP rate. So customer price is very affordable. Rice bran oil is a MRP is 170 and DP is 160, and your 20% discount if we will deduct, then 32 rupee also less, and you will get 1 liter rice bran oil in a 128 rupees only, friends. So it is price of the product is very affordable. Second is tea. If you purchase 250 gram tea, then friends, is MRP is 115 and DP is 95 and 20% less in 19 rupees. You will get only 76 rupees 250 gram tea. 3 is detergent powder. Detergent powder is also a very important product in a family of daily needs product of 1 kg. 70 rupee MRP, 60 rupee DP, and 20% will less than 12 rupees also less. You will get 48. It's a very affordable price. In a market, ghadi and more, the rate is 55 rupees. 4 is arhar dal, arhar pulses, 1 kg. MRP is 136, DP is 124, and 20% reduction is, and you will get 99 rupees 1 kg. So friends, rate are of the product is very cheap. Then customer will purchase the product here every month because user are happy. Then we will create a big network by the help of HHI. So friends, if so, first income is performance bonus and second income is star fund, 4% of the company turnover. How we will achieve this? Your all direct will like show in your tree like this. Your single leg only provide 11,000 BB and your all legs will provide 10,000 BB. Then you will get this amount approx 1,000 to 2,000 rupees. 3 income is LOB, leadership bonus is 13%. 4th is super bonus. Super bonus is 15%. 5th is fund, 13% of fund. 13% of fund, which is car fund, bike fund, house fund, travel fund, ruby royalty fund, diamond royalty fund, sapphire royalty fund, and crown royalty fund. And 6 is direct sponsor income. Direct sponsor income is 7%. When your direct will earn by the repurchase, then you will get also 7% his income. If you will not mention your side leg, then also you will get this 7% income, friends. 7th income is CP bonus 8%. So friends, these all are the income the Happy Health India. I hope you will enjoy this plan. If you have any query, then you will me WhatsApp this number 8839972170. This is Suraj, performer, the HHI leader and motivational coach. Thank you very much and love you all.